Greetings. So your respected name, please.
I'm Bhanu Pratap Singh.
I'm Mrs. Deepa Jamwal.
Okay. So ma'am, what are your reviews with the MCS overall?
Well, first of all, heartiest congratulations to the MCS family for organizing such a fabulous and spectacular, function. We've been a part of it. When my child, she entered the school premises when she was in standard 1, and now, God willing, she is in standard 12, and we had been a regular part of such kind of programs. I must say that the programs like these, they help in honing the skills of the students, the hidden skills, the latent skills, I must say, and they also help in broadening the academic horizon of the students. And really kudos to the teachers, the principal, the management, and the darling students who've been organizing such kind of programs. May all best wishes. And I would love, in the same breath, I would like to also state that my daughter, she's cleared her LNAT UK examination this year, and the credit goes to the teachers, the principal, and the management. Beyond all doubts, we would not like to snatch the credit from them. All credit to them. God bless.
Anything you would like to add?
Congratulations, Team MCS, for another spectacular bonanza this year too, and all the best. And congratulations to all the students who have actually made their mark in different fields. I would definitely say that platforms of these kinds, unleash the hidden talent of the children and prepare the children for life beyond the routine textbooks. So all the best to everyone, and I'm very happy for my daughter Sedagna Singh, who just qualified her LLAT UK and is eligible for foreign universities entrances now. Thank you so much. God bless.
Congratulations to you both,
Thank you.
and thank you for the
And
interview.
One thing more, I would like to add that since my daughter is in standard 12, so my advice to all the students who are in standard 11 and 10th, that the placement is never a standalone component, but rather it's the culmination of right kind of training and skills that are imparted to the students right from the day they enter the institute. And on this front, MCS, Montessori Cambridge School, really they passed with great skills. Thank you so much.
Thank
God
you.
bless. God
Thank
bless.
you.
The able guidance of Principal Mrs. Rashmi Aluwalia and the dedicated teachers. Kudos to all of you. Thank you.
All the teachers. God bless them.
Thank you.
Thank you.